What do you do?
Yeah, and this Aerodon.
How do you do this?
Aerodon is a nice guy. Yeah, he has a
That
one
looks like adult proof.
Who else is on that poster? Who else is there?
Look, who's that?
Wait,
Who's
let's
that?
slide it.
Who is that?
Arwen.
Yeah, Arwen. Yeah, that's Toad Returner the
Who's that?
That's Eagle.
Smeagol.
The winners
I like how
is
Scott's at the top.
Scotty. Who's over there?
Harry Potter, Hermione, and
Nice.
Ron
Rory has one of these
Weasley.
ears.
What movie's that from?
Harry Potter.
Is that the first one?
This is like a real tool, though.
Look.
Probably is.
It is.
Yeah, I had a Ford.
Worker boy.
What? I had a Ford.
That's what it says on there.
Weird boy?
Worker boy.
I had a Ford like Aerodon. I had a Ford like
Chicken dance.
Aerodon.
Chicken dance.
No. I had a
Like a Saturday at Hawthorne.
You gotta show him that video.
That's Emily's go-to camera trick.